Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this TCL 30 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can enable the separate number row at the keyboard on this device. So first of all, you gotta open up the keyboard settings, but in prior of that, that's how the keyboard will look like without the separate number row on top of the characters. So in order to turn it on, you gotta open up the keyboard settings by going for the system category of settings. Here you gotta choose languages and inputs, choose the virtual keyboard category, and in here choose the keyboard that is currently in use. In my case, and by the default, the keyboard is going to be the keyboard, so tap on it. Here, go for the preferences, and all that it's left to do is to turn on this number row switch. And as you will see right now, we have successfully turned on the separate number row on top of the characters on the keyboard of this device. And by the way, you can also access the keyboard settings from the keyboard itself by calling for it and tapping on this gear icon. And everything else is as it was the previous way. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!